Amazon Lightsail. Amazon Lightsail is a managed virtual private server (VPS) service that provides a simple way to launch and manage servers in the cloud. It is designed to be easy to use, with a simple pricing model and a user-friendly interface that makes it accessible to developers, webmasters, and small businesses that need a reliable and cost-effective hosting solution. In this primer, we'll explore the key features of Amazon Lightsail, how it works, and some best practices for using it effectively. Overview of Amazon Lightsail. Amazon Lightsail was launched in 2016 as a response to the need for a simplified hosting solution for small businesses and developers. It provides a user-friendly interface that allows users to quickly launch and manage servers, websites, and applications in the cloud without requiring any previous experience with cloud infrastructure. It is a low-cost service that is designed to be easy to use, with a fixed monthly price that includes everything you need to get started. Amazon Lightsail provides a wide range of pre-configured server images that can be used to launch a server in minutes. These server images include popular operating systems like Ubuntu, Windows, and Debian, and popular applications like WordPress, Drupal, and Joomla. Once you have launched a server, you can use the built-in tools to manage your server, monitor performance, and scale as needed. Key features of Amazon Lightsail. Amazon Lightsail provides a range of features that make it an attractive hosting solution for small businesses and developers. Some of the key features of Amazon Lightsail include: user-friendly interface. Amazon Lightsail provides a simple and intuitive interface that makes it easy to launch and manage servers, websites, and applications. The interface is designed to be easy to use, with clear instructions and step-by-step guidance to help you get started. Fixed monthly price. Amazon Lightsail provides a fixed monthly price that includes everything you need to get started, including the server, storage, data transfer, and DNS management. This makes it easy to budget and plan for your hosting costs, without worrying about unexpected expenses. Pre-configured server images. Amazon Lightsail provides a wide range of pre-configured server images that can be used to launch a server in minutes. These server images include popular operating systems and applications, and can be customized as needed. Scalability. Amazon Lightsail provides easy scalability, with the ability to scale up or down as needed based on your workload. You can easily upgrade or downgrade your server resources, and add additional storage or bandwidth as needed. Security. Amazon Lightsail provides built-in security features, including firewall protection, data encryption, and SSL/TLS certificates. These features help to keep your data and applications secure and protected. Monitoring. Amazon Lightsail provides built-in monitoring tools that allow you to monitor your server's performance, including CPU usage, memory usage, and network traffic. This helps you to identify any issues or bottlenecks and optimize your server for better performance. How Amazon Lightsail works. Amazon Lightsail is built on top of the Amazon Web Services (AWS) infrastructure, which provides a reliable and scalable cloud computing platform. When you launch a server on Amazon Lightsail, you are essentially launching a virtual private server (VPS) instance in the cloud. To get started with Amazon Lightsail, you first need to create an account and choose a server image. The server image includes the operating system and any pre-installed applications that you want to use. Once you have chosen a server image, you can launch a server instance and configure the server settings, including the server name, instance size, and storage size. Once your server is launched, you can use the Lightsail console to manage your server, monitor performance, and configure settings. You can also use the command line interface to manage your server, configure DNS settings, and perform other tasks. One of the key benefits of Amazon Lightsail is its simplicity. With just a few clicks, you can launch a server instance and start using it immediately. You don't need to worry about configuring load balancers, setting up virtual private networks, VPNs, or managing complex network settings. Amazon Lightsail takes care of all of these tasks for you, so you can focus on your applications and content. Best practices for using Amazon Lightsail. To get the most out of Amazon Lightsail, there are some best practices that you should follow. Here are some tips for using Amazon Lightsail effectively. Choose the right instance size. When launching a server on Amazon Lightsail, it's important to choose the right instance size for your workload. If you choose an instance size that is too small, you may experience performance issues or server crashes. If you choose an instance size that is too large, you may be paying for more resources than you need. It's important to monitor your server's performance and adjust the instance size as needed. Use pre-configured server images. Amazon Lightsail provides a range of pre-configured server images that can be used to launch a server in minutes. These images include popular applications like WordPress, Drupal, and Joomla, as well as popular operating systems like Ubuntu and Windows. Using pre-configured server images can save you time and effort, and ensure that your server is set up correctly from the start. Monitor performance. Amazon Lightsail provides built-in monitoring tools that allow you to monitor your server's performance. It's important to monitor CPU usage, memory usage, and network traffic to identify any performance issues or bottlenecks. You can then optimize your server settings to improve performance. Use SSL, TLS certificates. Amazon Lightsail provides built-in SSL, TLS certificates that can be used to secure your website or application. Using SSL, TLS certificates is important for protecting user data and ensuring that your website or application is trusted by users. Backup your data. Amazon Lightsail provides backup and restore features that allow you to create backups of your server data. It's important to regularly back up your data to protect against data loss or corruption. You should also test your backups to ensure that they can be restored successfully. Use CloudWatch logs. Amazon Lightsail provides integration with CloudWatch logs, which allows you to collect and monitor log data from your server. This can be useful for troubleshooting issues and identifying security threats. Conclusion. Amazon Lightsail is a simple and cost-effective hosting solution that is designed for small businesses and developers. It provides a user-friendly interface, fixed monthly pricing, pre-configured server images, and easy scalability. With Amazon Lightsail, you can launch and manage servers, websites, and applications in the cloud with just a few clicks. By following best practices and monitoring your server's performance, you can ensure that your server is optimized for performance, security, and reliability.